Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. How are you all doing today? I'm doing really well. Thank you for asking. I'm so glad you're here with me. Are you busy today? Maybe a little bit. I know the feeling. I have some work to finish up myself, but I always make time for what's important, and that includes you all and our English learning journey. Speaking of work, someone asked me what I'm doing. Right now, I'm preparing some new content for all of you, some fresh lesson plans. It's important work, and you know what? I absolutely enjoy it. I love creating things that help you succeed. It's what drives me. This got me thinking, do you like learning new things? I know I do. It keeps life exciting. And one of the things I'm most passionate about is, you guessed it, learning and teaching English. Someone asked me how I practice and how I got to this level. Well, it's all about consistency. I watch videos, I listen to native speakers, and most importantly, I try to speak every single day, even if it's just to myself. That really is the best way to learn. It's not about being perfect from day one. It's about building your skills step by step. All that practice is what builds real confidence. When you know you've put in the work, you start to believe in your ability to communicate. You stop being afraid of making mistakes and start seeing them as learning opportunities. So, here's an idea. Would you like to practice together? Seriously, we could do live sessions, Q&As, or interactive exercises. Let me know in the comments if that's something you'd be interested in. Let's make a plan. How about we start practicing more actively right now? Let's start with a simple challenge. For the next 24 hours, I want you to narrate your day in English. It can be out loud or just in your head. Describe what you're doing, what you see, and how you feel. For example, I am making coffee. The coffee smells wonderful. I am adding a little bit of milk. It might feel strange at first, but it's an incredibly powerful way to start thinking in English. Let's try another exercise right now. Look around you. Find an object. Now, describe it in English in 3 sentences. I'll go first. I see my water bottle. It's blue and made of metal. It keeps my water cold all day. Your turn. Pause the video and say it out loud. Great job. See, it's not that hard. The key is making English a part of your daily life, not just something you study from a book for an hour. Immerse yourself. Change your phone's language to English. Watch your favorite movies again, but this time with English subtitles, and then with no subtitles at all. Listen to English music and try to sing along. Read articles or simple books on topics you love. Every little bit adds up. Think of it like building a house, brick by brick. Each new word is a brick. Each sentence you form is a wall. Soon you'll have built a beautiful, strong structure that you can be proud of. And remember, you're not alone in this. We have a whole community here to support each other. Perfect. Let's make a commitment to practice every day. I'll see you in the next video with more tips and exercises. Until then, have a wonderful day. Keep practicing and never stop learning. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't already, please subscribe so you don't miss our next practice session. See you soon.